Apparently some of the best Scrabble players in the world don't actually speak the language that they're playing in. Players memorise the authorised word list without understanding the definitions of the words that they're playing with. It becomes a mathematical strategy, practising pattern recognition and sequencing instead of a game of linguistics. They understand that this certain combination of signs, tiles, is allowed, and that these tiles, letters, in this order has an associated meaning. The meaning of the word isn't important, but the fact that the tiles can be joined to produce meaning is. My tutor shared with me Céline Condorelli and Gavin Wade's support structures, which is a long-term project that explored creating spaces to facilitate something that could be continuously reinvented by its users. They defined support structures as that which bears, sustains and props, for those things that encourage, care for and assist, for that which advocates, articulates, for what stands behind, frames and maintains. They produced a book, also called Support Structures, which Condorelli said was to develop a bibliography for the project, because there was none. The references they needed weren't there, so they made them, and in this way the book itself becomes a support structure for the rest of the project. I like this freedom to create what is needed to make the rest of a project possible. I think this is why I'm interested in these combinatory projects. Works made of fragments or repetitions, tiles, things which can build. A Scrabble tile is an object with a sign attached to it, which can be joined with other tiles to produce meaning. It's a support structure, and maybe it doesn't even matter what the attached signs are. It's these objects as a collection and their potential for meaning to be prescribed to them that is interesting. Objects that can be distributed, left with different people and occupied. An image supported by an object, slipping between image and object. A functional image, the signs on Scrabble tiles. Ability to construct. An associated set of rules, suggestions, or gameplay.